हर्षवर्धन, यहाँ मेरा सवाल आपसे है, जब आपने पहली बार ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनी, आपका रिएक्शन क्या था?
Well, first of all, we actually met in 2008, I think, and we kept meeting every couple of months after that. And at the time, Rakesh sir had mentioned that he was working on the story of Mirza Sahiba, and Gulzar Saab was writing the screenplay. And I was actually still in college at that time. I was 18, 19 years old. I'm 25 now, so this is a conversation that's been going on for a very long time. And then I went back to college after the first interaction with Rakesh sir, and I actually did what I could, try to find whatever I could about the story on the internet. And obviously it's a romantic tragedy, and it's very different from the other romantic tragedies because it's the two lovers themselves that make decisions that eventually determine their destiny. So it was very complex, and it was very brief and very vague on social media. So as kind of time went on, we kept reconnecting, and then eventually, I think in June 2013, after talking for like 2 or 3 years, we finally decided that it was the right time to kind of embark on this journey. And until then, I hadn't really heard anything from the script. So then finally I sat with Mehra, and then he narrated about 10 or 15 pages because the script was still a work in progress at that time. And just the beauty that which it was kind of written, because it's very rare these days to find scripts that are very poetic and very romantic. And I think for me, I read it when I was 22, and I was reading so many other romantic stories and scripts, but I think that this is the most contemporary romantic film ever. At least from what I've read, the interpretation of it. So I was completely blown away. It's one of those things that you hear it and you're like, I'll give anything to be a part of this film. It's romantic, it's complex. You get to play two characters. It's poetic, it's visual, it's musical. So it's like a fever dream. So it's a dream.
कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए इस कैरेक्टर को निभाना?
तो एक्चुअली 2 किरदार है, एक है आदिल का और एक है मिर्जा का. तो फर्स्ट वी वर्कड ऑन आदिल अ लॉट. एक्चुअली वी वर्कड ऑन बोथ साइमल्टेनियसली, एंड when I heard the story, I knew that the whole film depends on my ability as a rider and an archer, because Mirza is the best, and I'd never been on a horse, so it sounds very easy, but actually when you start doing it, and then you know the script, so you know how sir is going to shoot it. It's not like other films where you're cut to your close up and then you cut to the stunt double. It's not one of those films. I knew the level that I had to kind of reach to, and I moved away to Delhi for 6 months first, because Bombay doesn't have too many places where you can learn that skill. So I learned the basics there for 6 months, and I had a lot of falls. Then I came back, then we continued, and it's a 20-minute answer. I can't really sum it up for you, but it was basically very difficult.
Thank you, Harsh. Thank you so much.
Harsh, on your left.
हर्ष, अभी आपको जवाब देना बाकी है.
कौन से क्वेश्चन का?
Do you feel the pressure?
Yeah, no, I think I think when you kind of believe in something so much and you work for so long with so much honesty, and you basically leave behind your life and you sacrifice so much. Eventually, when you're performing with that honesty in your heart and your mind, the audience can feel it in when they watch it, and that's all you can really do. So I don't think it's very intelligent to feel creative pressure in terms of commercial expectations, because you're somebody's son and all of that stuff. I feel there's nothing I can do about that. So whatever has to happen will happen.
Harsh, on your left, this is Simran Singh from Book My Show. First of all, congratulations to you and your team for the fantastic, mind-blowing film.
Thank you very much.
My question to you is, your dad just said that you are very different from him. So how much do you agree on that? Is it true that you are different from him, or what do you want to say about it?
I don't think I'm the best person to decide that. You know, it's very difficult to have an opinion about yourself. But I think the only way you can define, I mean, at least in my situation, is define my own personality is by the characters I decide to take up. Or actually, I get lucky enough to play, and that is something that will happen over time. So, you know, I think that's a question that will be answered over time. You know, if as and when people get to see my films and stuff like that.
Hi Harsh and
Gulzar
Sayami,
Saab.
over here straight.
Gulzar Saab,
Straight towards straight. Over here. My question to you is, you know, stars like Amir Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Salman Khan have tweeted about your film, the trailer of your film. So how do you feel when stars speak about the film, and how much do you think that helps the film in building up the hype around the film? Both of you.
I think at the end of the day, it just comes down to how honest and good the film is. You know, to be honest, and I mean, there's so many incredible people working on this film. I mean, it's only my first film. I'm an unknown, but there are so many incredible people working on this film, and I think it's because of that. You know, so we're extremely thankful and that they've liked whatever they've seen so far from the film, and then I hope they like the film when they see it. But it's a huge blessing, and it definitely does help. You know, and very grateful for it.
ठीक सामने सबसे पहले तो आपको विश ऑल द बेस्ट आपकी फिल्म के लिए। क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आप वो कौन कौन से एक्टर हैं जिनकी आप फिल्में देखते हैं, जिनसे आप इंस्पायर्ड हैं, जिनके आप बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं?
I make it a point to watch all films. I think there's so many amazing actors, and I like certain films from, you know, of certain actors. Amir is a very big influence. I think when, you know, at least my generation was growing up, in 2001, Dil Chahta Hai came, then Lagan came, then Rang De Basandi came, and those were defining films for us when we were growing up. You know, and also at that time, you know, actors were doing so many films at one time, you know, and he decided to work more in isolation and really focus on one thing at a time. And I've been lucky enough, because of the way Mehra sir works, to have that experience on Mirzya. And I want to keep having the opportunity to do that with every film if it requires it. But to answer your question, I think Amir for his choices and determination. I think Ranbir for his ability to be spontaneous and his brilliance. Those are the two that come to my mind.
हर्षवर्धन जी, आपको नहीं लगता कि आपका कंपटीशन खुद आपके डैडी से होने वाला है? क्योंकि जिस तरह से वो डे बाय डे परफॉर्मेंस करते जा रहे हैं, वो बूढ़े नहीं हो रहे, हम सभी देख रहे हैं। तालियां अभी स्टेज पे देखा, हम और आप और आपके डैडी भाई भाई लग रहे थे, तो आपको नहीं लगता?
All my girlfriends also say the same thing. But no, I think जब आप you know, hopefully जब आप ये फिल्म देखोगे तो पहले 10 मिनट में आप ये सब भूल जाओगे।